Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today, which is 6th August 2024. The Morse code for today is chain, CHAIN. First thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. Once you click on daily cipher, the interface will change to this. Then you get the first letter, which is C. To get the C, you do one dash, one dot, one dash, and another dot. Dash, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot. That's for the C. Then for the H, you do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then for the A, you do 1 dot and 1 dash, dot, dash. For the I, you do 2 dots. 1, 2. Then for the N, which is the last letter, you do 1 dash and 1 dot, dash, dot for the N. So we've successfully cracked the code. Click on take the prize here. That's it for today's video, guys. Remember, today's date is 6th August 2024. Endeavor to claim your daily cipher for today. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching.